guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fry a very tasty mackerel. Okay, so these are the ingredients you will need to fry your fish. You will need some onions, and with me here I have half of a sliced onion, as you can see. You will need some thyme as well, some seasoning cubes. I'm using only one chicken knorr cube, some vegetable oil to fry your fish, some salt, and of course your fish. You can use any type of fish you like. I'm using one mackerel, and as you can see here, it has been cut already. So I'm going to remove the intestine from the fish, just like so. After that, I'm going to wash the fish, and this is what it looks like after washing it. I'm just going to add it into the pot, add some thyme, about 1 teaspoon of thyme, add my seasoning cube, add some salt, just a little bit of salt because the seasoning cubes contain some salt in it. Then I'll add my sliced onion and pour water just exactly the same level as the fish, and cover the fish. Allow it to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes of cooking, I'm going to remove the fish from the heat. Now I'm going to place a frying pan over the heat and pour some of the vegetable oil in the pan, just enough to fry my fish. If you're using a large quantity of fish, you can add more oil. Now I'm going to allow the oil to heat up a little bit, then I'll begin to add my fish. Make sure you are controlling your heat. If the heat is too hot, you can just lower it, but I'm frying it on a medium heat. I'm going to fry each side for 4 minutes, for 4 minutes on each side. Now if you're wondering why I am covering the pan, this is just to prevent the oil from splashing all over the place. So after about 8 minutes of frying the fish on both sides, this is what it looks like. Once it turns to dark golden brown like this, then you know that your fish is properly fried. So once I'm satisfied with the brownness of the fish, or if I'm sure that the fish is well fried on both sides, I'm going to take it out of the heat. And this is the final result. It is crunchy on the outside and it is very moist, soft, chewy and gooey on the inside. You need to give this method a try, and it tastes so good. And this fish, you can use it to cook anything you want to use it for, or you can just eat it the way it is. Now for the fish broth, you can store it in your fridge or freezer, or you can use it right away to cook anything you want to cook with it. And the same thing goes to the oil as well, or you can store it in a tight container and use it when you want to use it. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.